In today's video, we'll help you locate the CCRM or Constant Control Relay module in both your SN95 and New Edge Ford Mustang. If you have a 1994 to 1995 year vehicle, the CCRM is mounted on a bracket behind the coolant reservoir. The actual physical location of the bracket is shown here in the picture. If you have a 1996 through 2004 year vehicle, the CCRM is located on the inner fender of the front passenger side. Remove the wheel and inner fender liner to access the CCRM. If this information has helped you out, do us a huge favor and smash that like button right now and consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate it. The Constant Control Relay module can be found on 1994 through 2004 year Mustangs. It's responsible for facilitating power to the PCM power relay, cooling fan, AC clutch, and fuel pump driver module relay. These components are soldered to the module's printed circuit board. If the CCRM proves to be bad, it will need to be either serviced or replaced. When it comes to testing the CCRM, we first recommend you get access to a quality set of electrical wiring diagrams for your specific vehicle. We'll provide you with some recommendations down in the description below. After familiarizing yourself with your vehicle's wiring diagrams, you can then test to verify the CCRM is receiving and outputting all the necessary signals related to proper operations. If you need more assistance with testing this module, please see the related videos and playlists provided in the description below. As a DIYer, when it comes to getting access to information that will assist you with servicing and maintaining your own vehicle, we recommend Mitchell 1 DIY. With Mitchell 1 DIY, you get not only access to quality in-depth wiring diagrams for your vehicle, but you also get component locations, component tests, technical bulletins, and much more. If you'd like to learn more about the service, please see the link down in the description below for more details. Once you get on the Mitchell 1 website, be sure to check out the free demo of everything that's included in your product subscription. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.